Mediterranean Diet Explained. Welcome back to Wellness Vista. Today, we embark on a culinary journey to the scenic Mediterranean coasts, where food not only tantalizes the taste buds but also nurtures the body. Dive deep with us as we explore the renowned Mediterranean diet in all its wholesome glory. Historical roots. Before we delve into the diet, it's essential to appreciate its rich history. Rooted in centuries-old traditions, the Mediterranean diet reflects the dietary patterns of countries like Greece, Spain, and Italy. It's not just about food, it's about a cultural experience, family gatherings, and centuries-old recipes. But before we set sail on this Mediterranean journey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our health and wellness insights. What is the Mediterranean diet? More than just a diet, it's a lifestyle. It focuses on whole foods, healthy fats, and a vibrant array of fruits and vegetables. While many diets come and go, this one has stood the test of time, celebrated for its flavors and impressive health benefits. Here are some foods that are allowed in this diet. 1. Fruits and vegetables. From juicy tomatoes to aromatic herbs, fresh produce is a cornerstone. Think tomatoes, olives, eggplants, and citrus fruits. 2. Whole grains. Ditch refined grains. Embrace whole ones like quinoa, brown rice, and whole grain bread. 3. Healthy fats. Olive oil isn't just an ingredient, it's a celebration in itself. Used generously, it's the diet's heart. 4. Fish and seafood. Prioritized over red meat, fish like salmon and sardines are frequent stars on the Mediterranean table. With the Mediterranean Sea close by, it's no wonder fish play a starring role. 5. Legumes and nuts. Lentils, chickpeas, almonds, and walnuts offer protein and healthy fats are included in this diet. From hummus made of chickpeas to toasted almonds, these are protein-rich staples and are rich in fiber. 6. Dairy. Think rich Greek yogurt, tangy feta, and aged cheeses. 7. Wine. Sipped and savored, wine is often enjoyed in moderation with meals. The Mediterranean diet is often celebrated in health circles because of its health benefits. Consistently ranking high, the U.S. News & World Report celebrates the Mediterranean diet for its nutritive value, holistic approach, and flexibility. It's not just a fleeting trend but a globally respected dietary lifestyle. Following are some health benefits of this yummy diet. Cardiovascular health. Studies suggest a significant reduction in heart disease risk. Brain health. There's evidence pointing to cognitive benefits and reduced Alzheimer's risk. Anti-inflammatory. The diet's rich in antioxidants, which can combat inflammation. Weight management. High in fiber and good fats, it's known for promoting satiety. Mood and mental health. Some research indicates potential benefits for depression and anxiety. Blood sugar regulation. It may help stabilize blood sugar levels, beneficial for diabetics. Digestive health. Rich in fiber, it supports a healthy gut microbiome. While its accolades are many, there are nuances to consider. Like every coin has two sides, even the most celebrated diets have areas of consideration. While the Mediterranean diet boasts numerous benefits, it's essential to understand its challenges. Let's navigate some of the potential downsides to provide a well-rounded perspective. Cost factor. The emphasis on fresh and organic can strain some budgets. Adaptability. It's rich in fats and moderate in protein, which might not suit everyone's dietary needs. Time intensive. The best Mediterranean meals require preparation and cooking time. Embarking on the Mediterranean lifestyle is like a rendezvous with history, culture, and health. It's a balanced dance of flavors and nutrition, offering a pathway to holistic well-being. While it holds top ranks and multiple benefits, it's essential to assess if it aligns with individual goals and lifestyle. Join us on more such enlightening journeys by subscribing to Wellness Vista. Here's to health, taste, and the joy of Mediterranean living. Until next time, stay well. Thanks for watching.